Once we've hit create, it automatically takes us to our outline. It's important to do the outline first because what we type in the outline may affect the trailer. Below, you'll see places that we need to fill in for the movie name, the studio, and the credits. One thing that this trailer is missing that some other trailers do have is a category for the cast. The names that you put in for the cast usually appear within the trailer. Depending on which trailer you choose, the cast category could have one name or it could have even up to 6 names. You'll see in the studio category that there's a place for studio name. You can name that whatever you'd like, and the logo style. If you click to the right of logo style, you'll see that 5 other styles appear. You can go through and see which one you prefer. The logo style is what's going to appear at the very beginning of your trailer. The credits will be shown at the end of your trailer. Some other icons on here that you might notice is in the top, you'll see the question mark again, but right next to it, you will see an arrow that curves to the left. This is the undo button. You'll see this through most of the process. This button will undo the last thing you just did. The more times you hit it, the more things it will undo. In the middle of the screen, you'll see 2 play buttons, one that's a solid triangle and one that's inside a box. If you hit the button on the far left, it's going to preview your movie right above you. If you hit the play button on the right, it will turn it into a full screen movie. Once you're done filling in all the names for all the different titles, go ahead and push storyboard.